No need to worry about the financial burden during medical emergencies anymore. Here's your complete guide to cashless claim settlement process. First, take the patients to a registered cashless network hospital of IndusInd General Insurance. Once the patient gets admitted, contact the third-party administrator or TPA desk at the hospital and produce the required health card and other relevant documents. The TPA desk contacts IndusInd General Insurance for pre-authorization approval, for which the turnaround time from request receipt is 1 hour. Upon approval, the insured in the hospital will receive an SMS and email. In case of any query, the same is communicated to the hospital via SMS and email. The turnaround time post-receipt of the query response is 3 hours. Upon final discharge, the TPA desk will inform IndusInd General Insurance with all relevant documents, for which processing turnaround time is 1 hour. For enhancement claims, the turnaround time is 3 hours. Upon claim approval and settlement, the insured and the hospital are informed via SMS and email by IndusInd General Insurance. Here are the documents to keep close while facilitating a cashless mediclaim at an IndusInd General Insurance Network hospital. So take care of a medical emergency without worry or cash in IndusInd's 10,000 plus network hospitals.
For more information, visit IndusIndInsurance.com or contact your insurance advisor today.
IndusInd General Insurance, now with a better experience.